Welcome to today's Granada Houses video. We're here in the town of ILLORA to show you this townhouse that requires updating. It has 3 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. There's a very large basement and a lovely garden with views. So as you can see, we come straight into a nice hallway, and this probably would be your sitting room. And then we'll go through to the kitchen. And you'll be able to see what I mean by it requires updating. But you have nice views, so just from your own kitchen you'd have lovely countryside views. This is a very, very tranquil barrio. It's one of the historic parts of the town, and we're only around 35 minutes to the city of Granada. Also, you would be able to walk into the centre of town as well, should you want to. There is a garage here, but it's quite small. So if you had a modern car, you'd probably find you'd use the garage for storage or for your logs. Probably not for your car, but there is parking very close by. So here we're now looking at the bedrooms. We think this wall here that I'm showing you could be taken down and then perhaps make this bedroom at the end a bedroom with a walk-in wardrobe dressing room. This room actually is big enough to put in a decent sized bed, and if you didn't have a wardrobe or anything like that in here, but you had it in this section, then I think it would be a much better use of the space. But technically we have 3 bedrooms at the moment in this property. Here's the bathroom. Again, needs to be reformed. There's nothing overly expensive that's required in this house. Okay, I'm going to pause the video now while I go down the stairs. I'm now at the bottom of the staircase, and on the right hand side, this section you can see has just kind of been left in a fairly original condition. The ceiling isn't very high in here, so it would be good mainly, I think, for storage. I'm guessing the ceiling height is around 5'9", 5'10" maybe, but we can measure that for you. And then on this side here, it was used as a summer kitchen. And again, you can see it's all needs to be reformed. There is the original fireplace, which I rather like. And then access to the garden. Just through here, it's all a bit dark and messy. We think originally that would have been somewhere where you could have thrown your logs straight down from the street, because you can see that there is an access there. Okay, just got to open this door here. This would be your garden. There's quite a bit of land here, but beyond the gate and this wall, it's pretty steep before it flattens out again. You would need to put some kind of staircase in, but you can see it's a pretty good size. There's 2 doors that lead out onto the terrace, and then someone has put in a roof terrace via a staircase that has no banister, but it would be pretty simple to put a banister up there. So don't forget to follow us on YouTube, to subscribe to our channel, click like and share, and do leave comments below. Also request your viewings in the comments section. So here's the view. So really, really nice view. And I will open this to show you kind of what's below there. I think you can see on the video that it is quite steep, but you could potentially put some steps in and then maybe make some use of that lower section. So this is your house for reform. We do have photos of the terrace upstairs and also the roof, which seems to be in very good condition. Obviously you would want to get someone to check on everything for you, and that is always a sensible idea. So we hope you've enjoyed this video, and we look forward to showing you around this townhouse. And once again, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also keep an eye on our website, granadahouses.es. Thank you for watching.